Welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I will talk to you all about your display options. Many people like to display their navigation, but sometimes it's just not enough. If you want to have more on your screen, you can press Option and click Split Screen. From there, you can change what you see on the other side. And if that's still not enough for you, you can go to the main menu and actually rearrange the tiles by pressing this button and dragging over. When you're done, press Home. Lastly, if you want to change what you see in these individual tiles, go to My Vehicle, Contents of Main Menu, and here are all your different options. Remember, all the features I just showed you were on this beautiful X4. If you have any questions about your particular car, reach out to the Genius team here at Hendrick BMW.